Hello amazing learner, in this video we will discuss the key concept of aromatic compound. So first, are aromatic compound stable? Aromatic compound are stable due to the delocalized pi electron. Next, what is Hückel rule for aromaticity? Answer: according to this rule, aromatic compound contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Next question, how many pi electrons are in benzene? There are 6 pi electrons in benzene. Next, what is the structure of benzene ring? The structure of benzene ring is planar hexagonal. Next, what kind of reaction do aromatic compound undergo? Answer: electrophilic substitution reaction. Next, what are aromatic compound less reactive? Answer: because of aromatic stability. Question: what is the electron cloud in aromatic compound? Answer: the region of pi electron density. Question: what is the aromaticity significant? Answer: it imparts stability and unique reactivity. Question: do aromatic compound have a ring current? Answer: yes, due to the pi electron. Question: are the aromatic compound often volatile? Answer: due to the stable and non-polar structures. Question: what odor do aromatic compound have? Answer: a characteristic odor from the unsaturated rings. Question: is the benzene ring common in aromatic compound? Yes, providing aromaticity and stability. Please like, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.